Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and I'm at Community Kia in Bloomington, Indiana. And today we're inside this brand new 2019 Kia Forte. This is an LXS trim. It's kind of the middle of the road, pretty well equipped. And today we're going to take it on a test drive. So without further ado, join us, and I'll give you my running commentary on how I feel like this vehicle travels. Alright, so as I stated before, we're just going to give a running commentary on how I feel like this vehicle drives and how it travels. So turning out of the dealership, I'm just going, I just take a little roundabout loop. And this is kind of, on South Walnut Street, it's usually about 30 miles an hour. So we're going to take a low speed area. But we'll get it out on the highway as well. So far, my first impressions are, I love how quiet this car is. So I've done a little flip on you here. I've actually headed north again. I was headed south, and now in this clip I'm headed north, but wanted to keep the video down. I've taken a lot of still shots. So here we are. We're on the Highway 46 bypass in Bloomington. You can take north towards Indianapolis, or you can go south towards Bedford, and it's actually Highway 45. Right now, if I continued on this road, I'd be heading towards Ellettsville. But it's basically just a bypass. And then coming up, we'll be getting onto the new Interstate. It is usually considered Highway 37, but now will be considered Interstate 69. So now I'm on the southbound ramp, getting ready to merge on. And my first impressions are this vehicle actually gets up to speed pretty nicely and pretty quickly. I do have to watch my speed here because it is still a construction area, so they're pretty strict on the construction speed limits. But here we are merging into traffic. I didn't feel like the car hesitated. It didn't feel slouchy or anything like that. I mean, it feels really good considering the horsepower. My other observation was with the CVT transmission. When I first started driving this car, I'll be honest, I didn't realize it had a CVT transmission. I didn't realize it until I started doing research for this video. As you can see here, we're cruising, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and steering assist is on. And we're running about 1500 RPMs at about 60 miles an hour here. And this car actually gets incredibly good gas mileage. At some points, I was getting 42, 43 miles per gallon. My total average for this round trip was 39 miles per gallon. The vehicle does hold 14 gallons of fuel. As you can see on the floating center stack, it does support Apple Carplay. The maps on the screen is actually from my phone, which is plugged into the system using a USB port. Here's a little shot of just going through a quiet little neighborhood. Still quiet. The car is very quiet. Even hitting these speed bumps here, there's little to no interior noise. And the suspension actually feels firm. There's no squeaks, no rattles from the dash or the doors. Overall, the fit and finish is miles ahead of the previous car. And this is the road headed back towards the dealership. So overall, I feel like this car is a really nice, small, compact economy car. Price points are really good. There's nothing really on the websites yet because these cars just hit the dealerships. This store actually has about 5 or 6 of them right now, and they have more. So this does conclude our test drive video, and if you like this video and would like to see more like this, comment down below. And also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.